again. So, but this time we're going to play Jojo Bizarre Adventure. And this time, it's my face. Because I already did my face review. So here we go. What? Never mind. Okay, there we go. Okay. Wow. So, gotta mute it because it's copyrighted. So, wait a minute. Hey! Wait a minute. I really like to do drawing like this Stendhal. Because know why? I could just do R and Y and resetting an RY. Don't kill me. 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 Okay? Yes. Yee. Sorry. Sorry. It's okay. I really like twirling with this stand because you can do it with brains. Look. See? He's just gonna explode. Ah! Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Ah! Ah! That's it. That's it. Done. Don't mind of the background. People are just flinging. What is the music? People are just getting flopped. It's okay. Okay. Peter. Me. Okay, you do Peter. Kill. Don't kill me. Oh my god, almost dead. Killing. Killing. Bruh, killing the exploded. Killing the explode. Okay. Okay. Sorry, Caps. There, I win again. He makes earthquakes. He makes earthquakes. What do you mean I make earthquakes? I make nukes. Let's do that. Don't. What kind of stando is that? You just died by one shot by Sea Moon. I'm in a wheelchair. Wait, is that the world alternate universe? Hey, dream. What was that? Running smile. Guess somebody's going to. Amen. Oh no, I'm almost dead. Killing spree. I'm sorry, Bacon here, because somebody killed me. Just stop the explosion! Someone use admin arrow? Maybe I just used the admin arrow, but I didn't. Where's he at? Who did that? Trading guns? Bruh. I'm sorry, guys. Rip Bacon here. I really like this stand though. I think this is the most annoying stand in this game. Never mind. I don't want to abusing. Never mind. I don't want to cause abusing. I don't want to cause abusing. It's like, that's not how you do it. And you go bear. Gotta finish you off. Sorry, dude. My powers, are you done? No. Wait, imagine that I just killed him. You know? Healing time. Who killed me? Is somebody hacking? Who's hacking? Who's hacking? Who's hacking? Oh, that's so mean. Easy, 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 easy. I was Bro, you know that I was record? Bro, you know that I was record? That was you get. Bro, you know that I was record? Yeah, yeah. You know, imagine the guy who keeps he see my video going to be shocked. I don't care if you're recording all. Why so mean? You deserved it. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. Okay. Next server. Next server because there's a hacker. And hackers are no fair. Ah, perfect timing. This is the server, so I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, this is the right server. Yes! Perfect timing. Don't tell me somebody's going to kill me. Okay, back to where I was. Don't kill me. Winning smile. I can't do anything. I'm in a wheelchair. Nice gaming PC. Come on in, dude. Wait. How? How did you do that? How do you do that? Imagine that I just flung through the people. Oh no, they're going to kill me. Ah, ah. Well, I tried. Okay, you just picked the wrong gun. You just picked. You know that I was not dead. Okay, now I'm dead. It's gonna be so broken. People are dead. Go, 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 go. Heal. I'm still alive. I can't do anything. Bruh. Bruh. People are not killing me. Hold back. Kill me. You can't kill me. You can't kill me. I'm invincible. Cause bad. You sure? You sure? I do a lot of damage, you know that? You know that? You know that? Ow. How am I alive? Okay, I gotta heal myself. Oh. I'm scared to die a lot. I was record. I was record. Oh, so bad. I know. Tried flexing. I wasn't flexing. Bruh, I was record. And he hold block. And I did T-Lamo. So bad. You know I'm seeing you in chat. And that's so toxic. Okay, he's my target now. Okay, where's the guy who has the yellow star platinum? I'm going to find you. I will find you. I was done. When he goes to on YouTube and when he saw the video, and then he's going to shocked. I didn't lie, you know that. I didn't lie. Dio. Dio. I think he left. The guy who keeps saying rude things to me left. I'm flopping. I don't. Yes, I got him. Is he alive? Oh, I'm gonna be super shocked. Oh, I found him. I found him. I found the guy who keeps killing me. Ow. Seriously. Okay, where's the guy? Hey, another spec. Where's the guy now? Where's the guy now? Don't mind up the background, okay? I believe. Okay, never mind. Hey, hey. Tie, I guess. Tie, I guess. Easy. But I just killed you! How did you, don't mind of the background.
Sí, sí tengo acá, pero bueno, descanso ni modo. Mira, mañana ya me tengo que ir a trabajar a la oficina.
Don't mind of the background, you know that. You know that?
Martes otra vez hago mi rifa, miércoles la termino porque las mías,
Wait.
la grande la hago por
Don't mind
días.
of the
Y
background.
otra vez jueves, otra vez a trabajar. O sea, todos los días estoy ocupada, solo hoy.
Mommy. Okay, never mind.
Yo vivo en Northbridge, aquí mismo, 3 minutos. Pero es todo online, no es nada, digamos que...
Admin?
Estaba, ajá.
No, I'm not admin.
Sí, estamos ya bien lejitos ahora.
You serious?
Oh.
Just don't even try. There's a lot of imposters.
Sí, pues, ajá. Por ahí más o menos estábamos antes. Ahora sí ya, ya nos movimos.
How?
Ajá, sí estamos acá por el valle, bien tranquilo por acá. Ay, bien bonito. Limpio, no hay tantos carros, tranquilo. Aquí es muy bonito, de verdad que sí. Estoy enamorada de este lugar. Muy bonito, sí, ajá. Es que no hay tantísima gente. No, sí, me imagino, pero aquí no. Aquí como hay como mucho viejito retirado. Muy bonito, digo que muy limpio. O sea, muy bonito. No tráfico, no nada. Ajá. Así le digo a mi mamá, como jodo a mi mamá, y no mami, le digo, véngase más seguido para acá, porque ella también viene para acá a trabajar conmigo, cuidarme al nene 2 veces a la semana. Y digo, ay no mami, yo soy viejito aquí, pobrecita, se me dejó.
I wasn't, but imposter.
Ah, no, pues sí, ese sería el chiste. Ah, y sí. Ay,
So don't worry about the background.
Sí, sí, es cierto.
Noob. Noob sus. Who killed me? I think that... How did you get imposter? How did you get imposter? How to... Stando. How do you get that stando? How do you get that stando? Please tell. Please tell. Okay. That's a great video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye guys.